Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show how to download and install SQL Developer GUI tool on Windows 10 or 11. It will support Oracle 10G or 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 20C, 23AI, every software, every Oracle software, this SQL Developer will be supported. So in Oracle, different types of versions are there. R versions single SQL developer will be supported. So let's first download the SQL developer GUI tool. SQL developer download for Windows. Enter download link I will provide in description of this video. So scroll down Windows 64-bit with JDK 17 included. So this I will download. So this is download link I will provide in description of this video. This one download. Once this zip file successfully downloaded, we need to extract it. Meanwhile, let's create one folder for SQL developer. So I am every software installing in D drive under softwares folder. This is I am created this software folder. These all softwares I am installed. Now new folder I will create here. SQL developer. SQL developer. Once this is download completed, so I will move that the file to SQL developer folder and then I will extract it. So I have installed 7-zip software. It is giving better performance for extract, or we can also use Windows by default provided like extract all option. So we can also extract it. So it is taking some time. So wait until this will completed. Meanwhile, I am passing this video. So it is successfully downloaded. See this is so I have downloaded multiple like different options are there, right? I have some did some experience. So this is the good one. You can choose this one. That's why three downloads are there. So you can choose Windows 64-bit with JDK 17 included. So cut this one. SQL developer control V. Paste right click, show more options. 7-zip in your system may not visible because of this is a separate software. You need to install. Other if you are installed, it will be available. Else this option will not be available. Extract here. So once extraction is done, we need to send this SQL developer. So exe file to desktop because we need to open SQL developer either we need to search or we need to come to this location. So instead of both, I am creating one shortcut at desktop. See send desktop create shortcut. So just I will see this is the SQL developer shortcut. Just I will double click, it will open. So previously we are created right Oracle database, we are installed right Oracle database. That time we are like given password as a manager, username is a system in username, every letter is a capital, right? System. So that's why it is loading. If any listener issues are there, so first we need to check Windows plus R services.msc services.msc. So Oracle related, see Oracle related three are there. This one. The three must be running. This is more important. TNS listener. So TNS listener. If you are getting any error like no listener found like that, listener related error, post check Windows plus R TNS listener. It is running or not. Post check this one. So post check if it is running. Okay. Always otherwise right click start. So it is loading. Wait some time. Once loading, so we will connect to. We will connect one user. So like in softwares, like in Oracle, we have like DevDB, UATDB, ProdDB, like that there, right? So agent, this is a DevDB, Dev Connect. So system, system, passport, manager, save. So save a passport. That means if we are not to select that again every time when we are open this dev DB, we need to enter the password. Otherwise, it will be appended here. So localhost 1521 SID. SID I don't know SID actually. Let's check by using SQL plus. Let's check. SQL plus also I created desktop shortcut. Either we can use such option to open or directly we can open from the desktop. Password system. Username system. Password manager. Enter. So it is connected. Select star from global underscore name. Spelling wrong underscore name. See free. This is SID. So I will add some comments. If you are facing any error related to listener listener, so Windows icon plus R type type services.msc check the services running or not. If no, start it. If no, start it. So those suppose Windows plus R services.msc. So these are the three. I'm not able to copy service name. One by one I will copy. This is the one. Second one. This is very important. Listener. Listener must be running. Third one. Third case. Third one. This. So these three must running. Running. This must running. This must running. This must running. Right? So now we are find out, right? SID. How we are find out SID? By using this SQL query, we can find out SID. SID. So in our case, SID is free. So if you are installed older version, maybe you will see SID like XC ORCL, right? Now it is the free. So now let's test. Oh shit, no listener at host localhost. It is failing. No listener at host localhost. What to resolve this? So to resolve this, first let's change this. Let's try. This is the free, right? Let's test. SID is test rate, free rate. SID is free, but no listener at localhost. So what is the host? No listener at host, localhost. Let's check. Go to D drive. So this is the app. Username, product, version, Oracle version, DB home, network, admin. Yeah, listener is there. Let's check what is the listener. So what is the host in listener host? This is the host. This is the host. So we need to, if local host is not working, we need to use this IP address. So this is the file name. Find out the host name. So so port point if localhost if host name localhost is not working, then go to go to location. Go to location. Find out host IP. In our case, some IP will be there. I am not mentioning here. So IP test. See success. So that means if localhost is somehow localhost is not detected, then use the IP. Connect. Connect. See dev. So see dev. There any tables? These are there. I have created this student table. So data. One record is there. I'm closing. I will open again. So SQL developer. See, no listener. We can solve this two way. Like services.msc. You can check post that it is running or not. It is running fine. Then you can go to the listener.ora. Some file will be there, right? File name listener.ora. You can check host. What is the host? You can update if it is local host is not working. I also given some query to find out the SID. So it is working fine. In this video, we are successfully understand how to download and install SQL Developer GUI tool on Windows 10 and 11. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this video.